Hello everybody and welcome to another Trolley Tuesday. Unfortunately, this is yet again another video where the trolley isn't going to be running around, so to speak, but I am still going to try and show it off to the best of my ability. So here we have my tin plate Tram right here. It is a European styled trolley. You may recognize these because these do pop up on train shows, eBay, and other train related websites. These are the clockwork Paya trolleys or trams, and they're usually white and yellow, but I managed to find this very interesting variant that was painted green, and it had this little shield right here with a number board that says 4 on it, which I've noticed none of the other ones had, so I decided to pick it up. And it did have a clockwork mechanism in it, but it was meant to run on the floor and not on any track. So as you can see, I have gutted the bottom of the car in hopes of one day installing a motor on it. I did try to fit a Marx clockwork motor on it, but the motor was just too big to fit inside of the narrow little shell. But I am hopeful that one day I might get an MTH trolley base and put that inside this car, and then it'll run again, which will be really cool to see. And of course, here's the trolley pole, and yes, it does move all the way around, like so. So you can run it like this, or you can swing it around and run it like this. And of course, right here, I've added this little hook, so that way, when it's done running around, I can just bloop, put it down like that, just like the real thing. And what's interesting is that the doors on it are reversed in terms of which ones are to be open and which ones are to be closed. So right here on the front, the left-hand door is open, whilst the right-hand side is closed. And on the opposite end, you have the same thing. The left-hand door is open, whereas the right hand is closed. If this was to be an American trolley, the arrangement would be reversed. This is more common for Europe or Australia in terms of the door placement, which is kind of interesting. But still, I really like the lithography on it. Even though it is a cheap little tin toy, it's still something that I absolutely adore in terms of, you know, my collection, as it's one of the more unique pieces that I have. So yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed watching my little video on the little Paya trolley here, and I hope to see you in the next one.